Hi guy. In this video we take a look at the best robot vacuums. Robot vacuums have thrown a fresh wind to cleaning homes since its beginning. They are ambassadors of modernity, ease of use, and friendliness that machines can bring to humans. In this video, we will recommend to you the 5 best robot vacuums that we consider them based on a variety of factors, especially taking into account performance, features and price, so you can easy to decide which is best for you. The prices of these robot vacuums may vary from time to time. To know their exact prices, please visit the product link in the description. Moreover, don't forget to click like and subscribe to get the latest videos about these products. And now, we go to the top 5 best robot vacuums. Ranked 5th is the Boost IQ RoboVac 30C. The Boost IQ RoboVac 30C has some key features and specifications like suction power at 1,500 PA, Boost IQ technology, vacuums for up to 100 minutes, noise level 55 decibels, Wi-Fi compatible, works with Amazon Alexa, and many other features. The Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 30C is Wi-Fi compatible, so you can connect the base of the vacuum to your home network. This gives you various options when it comes to controlling the timing of your vacuum cleaner, so it's able to work when most convenient for you. This Boost IQ RoboVac 30C can be controlled by voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant. It has 3 brushes and strong suction power effectively loosen, extract, and vacuum dirt to give a superior clean. With 9 anti-collision infrared sensors helps RoboVac to avoid bumping into obstacles, so it can clean non-stop without help from you. One of the great features of this vacuum is that it automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed, which is great for if you're vacuuming carpets. Eufy has increased the suction power for this RoboVac to 1,500 PA. RoboVac cleans up to 100 minutes per charge, so you get to enjoy a completely clean home from a single charge. Ranked 4th is the Boost IQ RoboVac 11S. The Boost IQ RoboVac 11S has some key features and specifications like suction power at 1,300 PA, Boost IQ technology, vacuums for up to 100 minutes, noise level 55 decibels, and many other features. Want to let go of the hassles of the manual cleaning sessions? With Eufy 11S, you get access to a creatively designed robot vacuum that handles the dust and dirt in thick carpets as well as hard floors with ease. This vacuum has a triple filter system that ensures thorough cleaning under the lowest spaces hidden by your furniture. It can self-regulate to increase suction power where your home needs it most, and the infrared sensors can avoid obstacles and potential falls. The unit will automatically recharge so that it is ready to go at a moment's notice. With a cyclic round and easy-to-maneuver design, this cleaner has a power button on top that also works as an indicator during the cleaning session. On the bottom end, you will find 2 spin brushes along with 2 main treads as well as a nose wheel. It has large wheels that can easily climb over carpets and door ledges without creating any mess. It also comes with other accessories like remote control, cable ties, side brushes, and a charging base for better performance. With its 1-year warranty, it's a real deal for your money. Ranked 3rd is the iRobot Roomba 675 Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba 675 has some key features and specifications like 3-stage cleaning system, dual multi-surface brushes, dirt detect sensors, runs for up to 90 minutes, automatically recharges, built-in Google Assistant and Alexa, and many other features. The Roomba 675 is a 3-stage robot vacuum that loosens, lifts and sucks in hair, dust, and dirt from different types of floors. It has dual multi-surface brushes that work together to pick up dirt, dust and even some larger debris. Also, this one works on different floor types thanks to the auto-adjust cleaning head that automatically adjusts to various heights. It has dirt detect sensors which alert the unit to work harder on high traffic zones and other concentrated areas of dirt. Since it's as rich in different sensors, The robot vacuum does an excellent job of navigating under and around objects. Its edge-sweeping brush is designed at a 27-degree angle, allowing the unit to clean away from edges. You can connect and schedule the vac from anywhere using Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Its battery lasts for some 90 minutes before the unit automatically docks and recharges. Ranked second is the iRobot Roomba E5 Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba E5 has some key features and specifications like premium 3-stage cleaning system, dirt detect sensors, runs for up to 90 minutes, automatically recharges, built-in Google Assistant and Alexa, and many other features. The iRobot Roomba E5 is a really great robot vacuum. It has most of the innovative Roomba features that you'd expect, coming with plenty of sensors for the adaptive navigation, as well as the 3-stage cleaning system. And it even has Wi-Fi support for the iRobot Home app, as well as Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Additionally, the battery on the iRobot Roomba E5 also lasts for around 90 minutes, making it very similar to every other robot vacuum on this list. So why should you pick up any of the others over the Roomba E5? Well, the differences mostly come down to the suction and cleaning ability. The Roomba E5 does a really good job, there's no doubting that. But if you are one that has pets, has high carpets, or even a mostly carpeted home, you may want to get a different Roomba. The Roomba E5 is really great for those that have mostly hardwood or laminate floors, and no pets. Ranked first is the Roborock S6 Pure Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock S6 Pure has some key features and specifications like max suction 2000 PWA, water tank capacity 180 milliliters, multi-floor mapping, convenient selective room cleaning, Siri and Alexa voice control, and many other features. The Roborock S6 Pure Robot Vacuum offers multi-floor mapping and the dual-function vacuum and mopping. Likewise, it comes with the same 2000 PWA of suction, and can clean for up to 3 hours on a single charge. The robot vacuum can be used with the Roborock app and also Alexa or Google Assistant. You can also use selective room cleaning, create custom room sequencing, and create multiple no-go zones, no-map zones, and invisible walls. It will also calculate how much power is needed to finish the job, and then recharge only that amount. It comes with an easily removed main brush and side brush and omnidirectional wheel, along with the washable filter. Make upkeep quick and straightforward. It uses advanced airflow management technology and robust sound control minimize noise without reducing power. Overall, Roborock S6 Pure Robot Vacuum is a perfect product, helping you to save time in cleaning the house. With reviews of these 5 best robot vacuums, we hope you will choose the right robot vacuum for your home. However, they have different prices, and prices can change from time to time. So to know the exact price of each product, please visit the link in the description. Any questions? Please leave a comment. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to encourage us and receive the latest videos. Thank you very much.